So this is a continuation of Zara's. So this is a continuation of Zara's testimonial, and then Zara asked me to help her with her son. Now, I also happen to be a teacher of mathematics, and applied kinesiology is my second profession. So it was mathematics that he was having an entry test in for a certain level in his school, and she wanted to make sure that he was feeling comfortable and confident. And I said, well, there's a lot of things that we can do with applied kinesiology, and we did. And this is what happened. This is her report of how it was for her son. January 2019, my teenage 16-year-old son's heart wall was removed from 50 to 30 feet. He was also suffering from confusion in the maths area and lack of confidence and health issues. Dayu helped him clear a lot of the heart wall, which was ancestral baggage affecting his current life and making him feel lonely. Since doing it 2 weeks ago, I notice he is more happy and relaxed in his skin. He seems lighter and less heavy and down. I will note down how things have improved in the next 3 months. He has just finished a 2-week intensive maths course, and it has been daunting for him initially. Today was his exam, and he was so in control and active rather than in his usual passive acceptance. He was ready to give it his best shot, and it's all the many tools that Dayu has given him have helped him cope and be more centered and calm while completing the course. She's just so incredibly knowledgeable about all kinds of supplements and therapies that can help him. I did a lot of naturopathic work with him as well. So we did cover nutrition, we covered supplements he needed to take, and so on, because that's a very important part of being able to use your brain effectively as well for studies and for anything else. Just starting work with Dayu has given us confidence that we can find a way to help him and that we will find a solution. She has taught us how to actively and positively try to help improve any physical or mental or emotional health issues. Whether it's a physical issue you're struggling with, a fear or other difficulty or healing, I would highly recommend Dayu. She's very experienced, knowledgeable, and will always go above and beyond to help her clients. I'm so grateful. And now we come to 31st of January. So now this is 31st January 2019, and I wanted to note down any changes since my work with Dayu. It was my auntie's birthday today, and I made a video for her to celebrate her 70th year. I have been quite aloof and quiet from all my extended family for a while, perhaps thinking they don't understand me and are different, and that I am on a spiritual path and that we don't connect. However, ever since the heart wall work, I was really determined to make this video to commemorate her 70th birthday, and today is her birthday. I called her and I was so emotional. I could not stop crying and actually couldn't talk to her because I was welling up with so much love. This heart wall clearing has really helped me connect with those I love and those that I have loved, without any wanting anything or any attachment, just pure love, and it's very precious. And she has one more testimonial about decision making. Decision making, 1st of February. Now we are in the year, I think, 2020. Let's see, no, this is still 2019. Okay, this is still 2019. Another example of a small change in me is I am more clear of what I want. A small example of this is I normally go to the nail salon and I can never decide on the nail color. I spend so much time agonizing over which color choice I want. I'm looking to the other client's color choice and end up choosing something that I'm not happy with. So yesterday, I got my nails done. I actually knew what color I wanted, and it's a very small thing. And it sounds quite silly now that I'm saying it, but I just felt very empowered to know what decision I want to make. And it's a change in me that I've noticed that I'd like to share. So the next one is 5th of February 2019. Dayu used the Kalos Matura process with me during November last year. I learned how to work with my inner child to try and relieve the past hurts and talk to this child and figure out how to help the younger me. It was very powerful, and it was very powerful. I feel I can always go to that place in my mind and help heal myself. That's very amazing work. If you have if you have little parts of you that need healing, the inner child work with the Kalos Matura, I highly, highly, highly recommend doing that. It's awesome. During the session that you shared some oracle cards, I had to choose one that resonated with me. I chose a dancing unicorn. I was advised by Dayu to do some dancing classes to bring my joy level up. At the time, I put this thought at the back of my mind, but kept researching classes. 3 weeks ago, I found a Bollywood dance class and started despite my fears of bad knees and injuries. I cannot tell you how much happier I feel just by moving and dancing. My joy level has gone up tremendously. Thank you, Dayu, for knowing what was right for me. Well, you picked the oracle card, not me. So it was your choice. Now, I will continue in a third video on an update that I got from Zara today. And today the date is, I think, April the 14th of 2021. So it's 2 years after. So from the time we finished the session to the COVID years, and now 2 years later, I'll report to you what she said.